I would like to pay my respects to all of you, and also welcome, who also came to watch this one of my video. In this video, I will show you the lineup. Do not see the views and activities of Cambodian. Have their rice harvest season. Let all of you think. In this clip, I want to tell you all about a device. To the Cambodian, take the frog. This tool is called True by Cambodian farmers. At this point of view, I want to finish the mare. How to take a stick for it. This part is a demonstration of the water-loving system. And this wife is for releasing water as needed of Cambodian farmers, whether they want more or less of. This is a view of a field with golden ripe rice. As you can see, some places are overcrowded and some places are still there. And some fields are not yet ripe. Please stop. I enjoy watching more strange scenes. In this video, I would like to thank you who spent your precious. Come and watch my video clip here, from beginning to end. Thank you for your support of this video as well. If you like mine, you can click subscribe in mine to receive more new videos from my channel as well. The location where I filmed this video is Krasang Village, Sangkar, Kampong Svay District, Kampong Thom, located in Cambodia. I will say goodbye in the next video. Thank you.